Guys, I'm in Brookhaven. But for those who don't know, it's gonna update soon. But today I wanna check out how this game is gonna turn out. But now, look at this. There's now a carnival here. I don't even know this exists, but it said it arrives in 5 days and 8 hours. It's going to be in the Independence Day, but it's so weird. But I'm watching the intro here. Oh, it's just like that. Oh, it also has a sound, but I don't need it. July 3rd. Oh, it's July 3rd. I did not even know. Get prize, enjoy rides, and play games. This update is going to be interesting soon. But today I'm just gonna check out what's gonna be new in the update. It also says in the beginning of the game there's going to be a pre-cam on private server on mobile, which finally released after a long time, so we can see anything but with a pre-cam. But now I'm gonna try to grab the house if there's anything else. Let me see. Oh, it's just the same house as before. I don't even know why is it just like that. And it's really weird that it's in the new items, cause it's just not supposed to be there, cause it actually updated a bit that they released the carnival. But now I'm just gonna lock my safe up. Oh, I forgot, I didn't even made a video here. So now let's explore this house before it gets there. Oh, for those who don't know, the safe is actually hidden right here. So for that, we're gonna need a ladder, cause it's kind of hard to climb it without the ladder. But I actually do climb it, so I'm gonna open it. So now you guys know where the safe is of this house is. But there's a really weird toilet here because it's just too short, to be honest. I cannot even walk much in this room. But now I'm also gonna... Oh, there's a makeup table. This is a bit strange, but anyways, I didn't know if there's a single secret in this house. I just know the safe is a bit secret. Oh, I know a secret. Come here. Okay. Oh, never mind. It's in here. Everything looks normal here, but you will see in this room, you can see a hidden room. But I think the owner did this on purpose, so we can decorate the room. So now we're really gonna decorate here. Oh, where's the new items? Okay, now I'm just gonna put lights here, cause it's just too dark here. Okay, now we have the lights. Never mind, I will put it here. Yeah, it's much better. Okay, now I'm also gonna put this light. It's a bit weird. Okay, I'm gonna change it to this one, but it just didn't go very well. But now I finally fixed it. It took a bit long, but I actually fixed it. But I will put another light here, so it feels more lighter. But let me add some decorations here. I'm gonna add this thing here, and also a couch. Let me change this color to my favorite one. Let me put this like this. Then I will change the color to purple. Okay. Oh, I just sit in here. Okay, let's leave. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna just put nothing. I will leave that place. Okay. But guys, it's for some reason here it's just super light in here. So I think they will notice this room. It's so light that it goes here. Oh, maybe it's the windows. Let's close the windows. Oh, it's still like that. Why is it like that, guys? So let's go to this bathroom. Let's go wash our hands. I'm just role playing, don't you worry. Why is it feel so realistic in this game right now? But this is a bit strange, but it's okay. I'm just gonna... Oh, I actually accidentally captured. Let me take that up. Okay, I will also... Yeah, there. Okay, now I will go outside. I can't even spawn a vehicle, so I'm gonna go walking. But guys, suddenly a car just appeared. I'm almost sure it just crashed out there. But I will go to somewhere else. Okay, now wait, why there's a mansion in there? That's a bit strange. Look, there's just a mansion out of nowhere. But now I will check this carnival out. I didn't even know this really was existed. But now I will... Okay, now I will grab the sleeping bag cause I wanna test something. Let's grab it right quick. If this works, I will get a premium in 30 minutes. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this ladder and the right. Oh, that didn't go very well. Okay, now I finally managed to do it. I'm also gonna grab the ladder here. If it didn't work, I will respawn to the start. Okay, let me go here. Here, bro. Why is it not working? It really does not go very well, but I will put it here. Just go be placed. But guys, I accidentally fell to the map. So now I'm just gonna respawn for a bit. Can you be faster? Please! Oh my god. Okay, now I'm back at the game. This is a bit sad cause I just resetted. But I will also place the ladder here. Quick. I'm almost... But guys, it just moved. That's so weird that I fell to the map. But I will teleport by the way. And I will respawn. That was a big mistake, dude. Bro. Okay, now I'm gonna try it the third time. Let's see if this works. I'm just confused, dude. Bro. But I cannot do it even if many tries. But now I'm just gonna go explore the map. Okay, this is my house, but someone's neighboring me. Oh, I get a plan. Let's go, guys. This is going to be a bit evil, cause I think you guys all know what I'm gonna do. Let's go do this. Okay. Oh, never mind. This is my house, bro. I'm robbing my own house, which is so strange. Okay. I don't think this house is locked, but never mind. It just didn't. It's just not locked. So I cannot do this, the sack bug, like this. You're gonna go through the wall. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get here. I hope he didn't open the safe. Oh, she or he didn't really open the safe. But I will rob it anyways. Yeah, that's my plan. So now I'm just gonna go back to normal. And I already robbed the safe of his house. So now I'm just gonna act like nothing happened. Okay, I'm just here holding the money I got. This is a bit so much, but I will go back to my house. Oh, what I doing, kid? I think that's the owner of the house, so we're not very safe. But I will also go check the things out. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, then like and subscribe. Wait, wanna add me on Roblox? Send me a request on my account until I get 100 friends. So I hope you will add me.